Hey guys, it's Allie and I'm back with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video because that was like half an hour long. But today is just going to be a little short one, a little update on my planner and stuff. So let's get right into it. So yeah, I thought today we could go over my binder. Sorry for the weird shine. I have my flash on just to make it a little bit brighter today. It's rainy out, so the lighting's not great, and even if I use my LED light, it's not great. So I'm using the flash today, so I'm sorry about any shine. But yeah, I wanted to do an update on my planner. The last video I did was making cash envelopes, so I wanted to show you what I've done so far, not only with the cash envelopes, but just, oh my gosh, it is thundering out. It's a rainy day today, if you haven't noticed. So yeah, I wanted to do an update on like the actual cash envelopes and stuff and how I've been working it in. I wanted to do an update on like, I just realized I have highlighter on me. I wanted to do an update on what I've added to my planner since you guys last saw. You know I already did the cash envelope video, which I'll link down below in the description or somewhere on here, hopefully. I wanted to do an update video on other things I've added to the planner since, and I only got an hour to record this video because I gotta go to work because I'm working a night shift today, so let's get straight into it. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen my planner before, here it is. I'm using a Yoobi Binder, and yeah, you can watch my previous planner videos. They're all in a playlist together on my channel, and I'll probably also link that down below. But yeah, so this is my planner if you haven't seen it before, but let's just go ahead and get right into the updates. So, oh my gosh, this thing is getting a little thick. Let me be honest, because I've added a lot to it since the beginning. So yeah, as you can see, I have my little cash envelopes over here. I am getting paid soon, so we're going to do a stuffing video hopefully soon. And there's a hair. That's my hair. Oh, thank gosh it's my hair. But yeah, I'm going to do a cash stuffing envelopes video soon, going over my budget and stuff. But for right now, we're just going to go over the basic planner and updates I've done. So as you can see, I've actually whited out a lot here. It's probably showing up on camera because I'm using flash right now, but there's been like a lot of white out here. I redid something, but then I had to redo it again because the ink smeared when I wasn't paying attention. So, yeah. Nothing new on the index page other than that, just the fact I changed out some pages to make it a little bit more cohesive, I guess. I have edited my future log. I've added some of the paycheck dates into here. So yeah. As you can see, some of these paychecks are on Wednesday and some of these are on a Saturday. I'll get into that in a minute, but just take note of that. And I do have some art classes coming up here soon, so hopefully those all go well. I think, should I wait to show? I'll just get right into it. I'm starting my August spread, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna go over my July one in here in a second and show you the changes I've made to it and why I laid it out this way. So I know like bullet journaling and everything is like a process. You kind of learn what works for you over time. So this is a little bit upgraded from my July spread, which you're about to see. I actually got some little tab dividers here, and you see there's more of them. I'm probably going to do like a galaxy design on these as well, like with the scrapbook paper I have. Do something to decorate this a bit more so it's not plain white. And I might add a new label to here because I'm not sure if I like how I just wrote on that. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm not sure if I just like how I wrote on that, so we'll figure that out. If you guys haven't seen it before, here's my July spread. It's a little messy. That was part of the thing I've tried to change since the July one in comparison to the August one. I try to make it more neater because I like a minimalistic look. I didn't like how I wrote the July before, but that's actually partly because I messed up when I was writing it. So, as you can see, I have the same it's a different washi tape, but I kept the washi tape in the new August spread right there because I like how it divides like the page up a bit. I kept the same kind of calendar type deal, but I made it a bit more spread out in the August one. And yeah, I also changed up the colors so it's not like all one blue color, which is nice, but you know, just to differentiate a bit. I moved my trackers from my July into my August one. into the bottom left, I realized this is just kind of in the way, and I feel like I'm kind of cramping to add in all of my to-dos and stuff. So I moved my trackers into the bottom, which I actually really like, and I feel like I have more room to write here for my tasks. So we'll see how that goes. You'll also notice I got rid of the water tracker. It's just too much. I am drinking water every day. Sure, it's not enough, but if I'm gonna have more trackers in the future, I'll probably make a separate page for them. But for right now, I don't really need to track my water intake. I am doing way better than I have been in the past, and it's because I've made a point to like make note of it, even if I haven't been writing it in all the time. And the reason I have orange here is because I don't even remember if I was drinking water that day. Cause I've realized I don't check my planner every day. Like, I'm not doing it every single day, which I'm trying to make it into a habit of. But because I'm not checking it every single day, I don't know if I even like did that day. So I'm trying to make a better habit of actually checking my planner, checking my trackers, but tracking my water is just like a bit much. And please ignore the highlighter I have on my finger. Oh my gosh. I have been trying to check off my days, but again, even this I fell behind on, like just even checking off a calendar. So what I don't like about my July to-do, it feels all very squished, and it just feels messy. Like my entire July spread just feels messy. And I don't really like the goals over here. I might add goals into here, but I feel like my trackers are my goals in the end. I don't really need to track my prescription because I can just like look at the pack, and I don't really need to write down 10 no spend days because I'm having a no spend days here. And like, it's just any goals in general, I could add my weekly goals. I don't really have any monthly goals that I have to just write down, if that makes any sense. So that's something I am changing. I'm just showing you guys like what is working for me and what's not, and so you can see why I'm changing my planner and how it's evolving, making it work for me. But yeah, I kept the dog walker, I think. Yeah. It's been kind of hard to walk her because she's been sick lately, but she is feeling better, so I'm gonna try and walk her every single week, normally on my days off, but I haven't had too many days off here. I am gonna try keep uploading to Instagram. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a square of that, but I am gonna try that. And I don't have a drawing one either because I feel like it's just too much. I draw when I draw when I feel like it. It's not like it's a hobby for me. I'm hoping to eventually make it as like a side income again because I used to, but for right now it's not that important to me as like studying is. So the trackers I have on my new spread are no spend days, dog walking, studying, and YouTube, because I want to be uploading to YouTube twice a week in August, or at least in total 10 uploads. I think in total 10 uploads in August, because even if I only have like one in the first week, that means I can have 2 to 3 in the next. It just depends on how busy I am, but I want to have at least 10 uploads on YouTube in August. I didn't have a tracker for that over here. I just kind of had it underneath my goals and my to-do, and it was just weird. So yeah, I made my new spread a lot more cohesive and such, and I'm not even really using this just because it wasn't working for me. So I'm hoping to change that. And like this daily walk, oh my gosh, I haven't even checked it off since like the 15th. So that's done. That's done. That's done. That's done. We're on the 19th. Like, I don't even need the daily log. I'm not sure if I have that on my index. Okay, I do have a daily log on there, but what I think I'll do is I'll insert my to-do list right there. Now on, whenever I have a daily log, I'm just going to insert my daily to-do list that I write on a regular sheet of notebook paper into here, because this daily log was just excessive and there's not much room to write anything. It's just useless. So we're not going to do this page anymore. That's another thing I'm going to be changing, because it wasn't working for me. There's no room to write. It's not what I needed. Still have the tiny house savings trackers. I'm not going to go over the birthdays page. Here's, oh boy, we're getting into the budget. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a current budget page. This is where, I just dropped something. This is where I'll stick on sticky notes about how much I'm getting paid. A basic breakdown if I need to take like the note to the teller to get my cash out. If you can see, if I need to get like cash out and stuff, I'll write it down on a sticky note and stick it on this page so I have it. But whenever I have like an actual budget I need to plan out, I'm just doing it on a basic notebook paper, you know? It's nothing fancy. I don't need fancy. It's just a budget, you know? So yeah, I actually wrote down personal budget at the top, and I did the estimated and the actual amounts. Now I'm not sure if I like this layout. I'm probably gonna have to change it. It's just weird. The reason it's different from what I normally do is because I actually have to budget for 2 paychecks at the moment because I am working at my new job, but I've actually gone back to my old job as well, part-time. So like I have a main job, but then I also have a side job. So it's a little weird at the moment. I'm getting 2 different paychecks, and like one's much smaller than the other, but it's okay. It's just, yeah, that's why it's a little weird here, and I apologize for the weirdness. I'm hoping I'm gonna figure out a way to do my new budgets, because now I'm getting paid like once a week basically, because they pay out on different days, so it's basically every week I have to budget for, and I'm still having a bi-weekly budget, if that makes any sense. So I'm having 2 paychecks come in to my bi-weekly budget now. I'm gonna have to figure it out. So yeah, I'm not gonna go too deep into this right now. I think I'll do that for my next budgeting video, for a cash envelope video, but I thought I'd just go ahead and give you guys like an overview look of what I'm doing now. So yeah, this is my new budget. I'm gonna have to change it up, so, and there's that page I mentioned. Okay, so here's something new. New finance tracker. I'm really excited about it. I'm hoping my next one will be a little bit neater, because I kind of messed up at the bottom here, but we're gonna work with it. I'm using highlighters to like distinguish all of my purchases and stuff. I'm using highlighters to like distinguish my purchases and my expenses and stuff like that. What I've done is I've made a category list to write which which envelope the money's coming out of, or which like account it's coming out of, and then I have the transaction, which is the actual name of what has happened to that money, and I have the beginning balance, what has changed, the ending balance, and the date. And as you can see, I've highlighted it with yellow if it's like a purchase I didn't really have to do, but I did. I've highlighted in blue, it's not up here, but I've highlighted in blue any like money transfers and stuff like that, which aren't necessarily good or bad. I just like highlighted them to like notice them a bit easier. Yeah, and if it's, I don't know why this one's orange. I do not remember why that one is orange. This is just like basically my new finance tracker, because I'm trying to track all of my income and all of my expenses, and that's how I'm doing it. So I've highlighted all my income in green and expenses in orange. And over here on the side, I actually started off by writing down my beginning balances. I actually had more money than this. I loaned out money to someone and they haven't paid me back yet, but this was just my starting balances to make it easier on myself for actually tracking all of my money. There was a basic update of my planner. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you check out my previous video where I made 8 billion different cash envelopes. Oh my gosh, I have sinking funds and wallet envelopes. My next video will be a little bit better, but yeah, I just wanted to give a basic update on what has changed in my binder and stuff. So hopefully this video was slightly entertaining for you guys. And if you want to see more, make sure you like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos, because I try to upload on Thursdays, Fridays, or Saturdays once or twice a week. And that's normally between 3 to 4 p.m., but it can go as late as 5, depending on how like slow my connection is wanting to like actually upload a video. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.